Oh, you just or do you have any plans for today?
Good evening, Mr. Bao.
Hello, teacher.
How are you now, Mr. Bao?
Today I'm busy.
Oh, you have a very busy day, but that's okay. A busy day means a productive one, Mr. Bao. Okay, so make yourself comfortable and we will start right away. Let me share my screen real quick and we will proceed directly to the practice. Okay, can you still remember all these words, Mr. Bao?
Mm, I'm remember.
Okay, well, that's good. So let us practice. In here, all you have to do is to tell me which category each word or phrase belongs in. So let us start with first one on the coast.
On the codes, location.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Dance.
Dance, population.
Okay, very good. What about typhoon?
Typhoon, typhoon, weather even.
Yes, that's correct. Drought.
Draw, weather Tyson.
Okay, yes, it's still a
Mhm.
weather event. Winter.
Winter, season.
Passenger.
Passenger, person.
Flight attendant.
Flight attendant, person.
Seat.
Seat, object.
Okay, yes, well done, Mr. Bao. Thank you. Now let us proceed to exercise 4. Complete the sentence. What is your answer for the first one?
You like living in New York?
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about for 2?
I went to visit the family.
Is it I went
See,
to visit? See? Okay, now in here, Mr. Bao, the correct answer would be visit. Okay, it's A. I went to visit family because after the infinitive 2, Mr. Bao, we will use the base form. Okay, so I went to visit family. Now, what about 3?
What it usually uh, lie in for?
Okay, yes, very good. Like in fall. 4.
Uh, it really raining in spring.
Is it rarely raining?
It really rains.
Okay,
I,
yes. Yes, that's correct, Mr. Bao. It rarely rains. Present simple tense. Okay, now what about for 5?
when was the first time you traveled abroad?
Okay, when was the first time you traveled abroad? 6.
The first time I traveled abroad was in 1973.
Okay, 73. And for 7.
When was the last time you flew?
Okay, very good. And the last one.
How long was the flight?
Okay, yes, very good. How long was the flight? Now let us proceed to ordering. Yes, put the words into the correct order. What's the answer for 1, Mr. Bao?
It is it is it is north of the country.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about for 2?
Is famous restaurant. It is
Okay,
famous in restaurant.
it is. Okay, so we have 2. It and the other one is it, and the other one is its. So it would be, it is famous for its restaurants. Okay, now what about for 3, Mr. Bao?
Uh, it it here rain all the time.
Is it here? It rains all the time here, or it rains here all the time. It rains here all the time. And what about for 4?
Uh, it usually cool in winter.
Okay, yes, very good. 5.
Why did you go there?
That's correct. And 6.
Mm, the the first time I were traveled uh, when I fly.
Okay, the first time I traveled abroad was when I was 5. Okay, now what about for 7?
You haven't
When was the last time you flew?
Okay, that's correct. And 8.
It was about 10 hours.
Okay, yes, very good, Mr. Bao. Now, since it's just a review, that let us proceed to 21 directly. For a moment, let me prepare it real quick. So we'll talk about your favorite movie. Do you like watching movies, Mr. Bao?
I
Do you still have
Um,
time to watch movies?
mm, yes, I like watch movie.
Mm,
I
okay.
like action movie.
Oh, you like action movies. Who's your favorite actor?
Mm, I like Việt Anh in actor in Vietnam.
Oh, okay. So you only watch Vietnamese movie?
I usually watching movie Vietnam.
Mm, okay, but you've watched English ones as well.
Mm, I
Do
watch
you
Korean movie.
Oh, Korean movies. Okay. Well, they have great movies as well as Chinese, Mr. Bao. I would agree. Okay. Do you know Jackie Chan?
Mm,
Do you know Jackie Chan, Mr. Bao, or maybe The Rock?
uh, I don't know what I don't know Pakichan.
Oh, okay. Or maybe you don't know the name, but you have watched his movie already. He's a very, very famous actor as well as The Rock. Um they're good characters, especially in action movies, Mr. Bao. Okay, so can you tell me what's your favorite movie? Do you have a favorite movie?
Could you speak repeat?
Do you have a favorite movie?
Mm, Yes, I do.
What's the title, Mr. Bao?
Uh, Action movie and I don't know speak by English.
Okay, but can you tell me why do you like that movie? Why do you like that movie?
I usually watch movie uh, for for police uh, for police uh, uh,
Okay, that is fine, Mr. Bao. Anyway, we'll talk about your favorite movie later on. So now, let us move on to exercise one first. So you'll have time to think of what you want to say. Okay, so we have here words and phrases. Are you familiar with all these words, Mr. Bao?
yes, I know.
Okay, so yes, we have here Paris, the past, the 1920s, the present, space, the future, America, and another world. And all you have to do here is to tell me which of the items on the list are times and which are places. So let us start with Paris. Paris.
Paris. Paris the capital uh, of France.
Yes, okay, that's correct. So it is a place. Okay, Paris is a place. Now, what about the past? The past.
The part is the part is long time ago.
Okay, and where does it belong, Mr. Bao? Is it all about time or place?
Time
Okay, yes, very good. What about the 1920s? Is it all about time or place?
Yeah.
1920 times.
Okay, yes, very good. The present.
The present time.
Okay, very good. Space.
Space plate.
The future.
The future time.
Okay, that's correct. America.
America plate.
And another world.
Another work plate.
Okay, yes, that's correct. It is a place. Now, let us proceed to exercise 2, vocabulary. Okay, so what is moving, Mr. Bao? Moving. It is an adjective. Moving.
Moving watching.
Watching. It is an
Yes.
adjective, Mr. Bao, an adjective. It is a describing word. Because when we say watching, walking, running, those are verbs, right? Which means something is moving. That is a verb, moving as a verb. But in here, it is an adjective. Do you
Moving
know?
moving making people feel emotion.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Mr. Bao. It depends on what the characters are trying to show to them. Okay, so it is making one feel strong emotions. Like for example, if the characters they were being oppressed, so you would be mad. Okay, so that is moving. You will be moved. You will feel how the characters are feeling. Okay, you'll be sad, you will cry. Okay, that is moving. Now, what about violent?
I don't know violent.
Okay, now when we say violent, Mr. Bao, it is using or involving behavior that is meant to hurt, damage, or even kill someone. Okay, that is violent.
Okay.
Okay, so now what
Okay.
about romantic?
Romantic
It's all about
romantic uh,
Stop.
I know romantic, but I don't speak by English.
Okay, that's fine, Mr. Bao. Now, when we say romantic, it is related to love or relationship. Okay, that is romantic. Okay, relating to love or relationship. Now, what about exciting?
Exciting making people feel interesting and happy.
Okay, yes, because they are looking forward to something that they want for a long time or they're aiming for. Okay, so that's correct. What about educational?
Educational edu, education
From the word education, Mr. Bao.
education educational same teaching or learning and educates people.
Okay, educating people. That is correct, Mr. Bao. So it is providing knowledge or learning. Okay, that is intended to, of course, educate viewers, educate the audience. Educational. Now, what about boring?
Boring uh, uh, boring is not interesting.
Okay, yes, not interesting or it's dull. Okay, not enjoyable. What about hilarious?
Hilarious is very funny.
Okay, yes, very good. And predictable?
Mm, I don't know. Predictable.
Okay, when we say predictable, Mr. Bao, it means it is happening in a way that you expect it to be. So it is easy to guess or it's easy to expect. You know what will happen next. That is predictable.
Can you translate predict
O-
predictable?
Okay, predictable.
Dễ đoán.
I understand.
Okay, so that is it, Mr. Bao. Now, let us proceed to the practice, and all you have to do is to tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Let's start with moving. When a film is moving, is it positive or negative?
Moving moving positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. What about violent?
Violent is negative.
That's correct. Romantic.
Romantic is positive.
Very good. Exciting.
Exciting is positive.
Educational.
Educational is positive.
Boring.
Boring is negative.
Hilarious.
Hilarious is positive.
Predictable.
Predictable is mm, positive and negative.
Okay, can you tell me, Mr. Bao, when is it positive and when is it negative?
Mm, I don't I don't know. I don't speak my
Okay, because if I were to say, Mr. Bao, being predictable is, of course, negative, but of course, it depends on situations. But in our topic, since we're talking about movies, being um watching a predictable film is really boring. So it is negative. But of course, in some instances or situations in life, having a predictable situation would really be positive. Now, moving on to exercise 3, more vocabulary. Let us have documentary.
documentary is documentary is a film and 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 real people real time.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Mr. Bao. So, documentary, it is a film or a TV program that presents facts about reality of life, okay, explaining real events. Now, what about horror?
Uro uro is
I believe you know this one very well.
I know rồi, but I don't speak by English. À,
Okay.
he moving for good.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Bao. Yeah, when we say horror, it is a genre or a type of story that is intended to scare people, to shock them. Okay, now what about action? Oh, your favorite one.
Action is a type of movie and film and uh, uh, and for and action then in the film.
Okay, yes, and it includes stunts. Okay, so fighting, violence, and stunts. That is, those are present in action movies or action films. What about romance?
Romance is a film for love and romantic.
Okay, yes, for love and relationship. What about comedy?
Comedy is a film and make people laugh.
Okay, yes, it makes people entertain and laugh. What about animated?
Animated is a film uh,
Happy that is.
you people drawing and
For one.
the image uh,
Okay, yes, that's correct, Mr. Bao. It is made based on or yeah, with drawings and as well as computer generated images. Okay, that makes them look as if they are moving. Like for example, the Toy Story. So that is an example of an animated see. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class today, Mr. Bao, and next meeting will continue the rest. So thank you so much and have fun with your family. Goodbye, Mr. Bao. Stay safe.
thank you teacher.